Hey guys, 1194 video. This is Lucas. I got my buddy Tyler's car put together. He came over tonight, helped us get it all assembled. We've got everything lined up best we can get. There's some places that had some trash that I've water sanded and shot some more base coat and clear coat on it, so you'll see some of that in the video. Now that we've got the car kind of assembled, I'm going to start water sanding it tomorrow. And once it's water sanded down, we'll use a 3-stage of 3M compound. And we'll get the whole car compounded down, and then we'll put a real nice glaze over it, get all the swirl marks out. But I'm going to go ahead and walk around the car and let you see what it looks like right now. All the chrome that's on this car, we matched it with the custom wheels that he's put on it. And there's the custom wheels. He added a hood tack to it. The car didn't originally come with a hood tack, but it does now. I'm not going to put the trim, which we've painted the trim the color of the wheels as well, but I ain't going to put the trim on the car until I've got the car fully water sanded and buffed. Also, we sanded and blasted the bumper down. We painted the back bumper. A little butterfly in there. Got my buddy Tucker. He tinted the windows on it for me. They own Big Dad's Tint Shop here in McMinnville, Tennessee, and they do an excellent job on the window tint. Guarantees their work. But there's the car as it is right now. I'm gonna get this thing. I'm going to call it a night tonight, but I'm going to get this thing water sanded down tomorrow so that I can start buffing the car out and polishing it real good and get the chrome trim on, get the mirrors on, and button everything else up. And this car right here will be ready to take to the show. So thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more cool videos like this one.